Yan mga kapatid, ating tofu taho. Dumating kasi itong tofu coagulant. $10 yan sa $9.99 sa Amazon. Yun lang. Isang teaspoon sa isang 1 kilogram at 1.86 kilogram na soy unsweetened milk. Soya milk. Sa Walmart ko nabili. $5.47 plus yung $10 so $15 na. Ito yung nilalabasan. Tapos magpapakulo tayo ng tubig, lagyan ng brown sugar para sa arnibal. Tapos yung may sago dyan maliliit, palambutin din natin. Yan, tapos ayun na, may taho ka na. Taho! Ito, dito tayo sa papuntang Kamloops. Ayan o. It's 8:47 a.m. Good Friday, April 3. Happy birthday, Jacob, my eldest. I was driving, so I'm seeing messages sa WhatsApp, so but I couldn't answer because I'm using the phone for navigating. Yeah. Dito tayo. Ganda ng ano dito, parang Badlands, so wala masyadong mga trees. Ang ganda tignan. It's a very scenic ride here. Yeah. Wala masyadong nakatira dito dahil ayun nga, very dry ata rito. Parang disyerto. Malamig din pag winter. Pero napapansin nyo walang snow. Yeah. Punta tayong east. Nung ako nag-drive south from Prince George to Cache Creek, yan, mga ilang araw, ilang 4 hours something din. 3:30 alis tayo, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. Yan, 4.5 hours din, for 40 hours, almost 5. May mga farm mga tatong mga alaga nito, mga cows, maraming cows. Very scenic. Ito yung mga hinahanap ng mga nagmumotor, yung may mga sigsag na ganito. Tapos flat, may pataas, pababa. Sex bomb. Ayan, may train. Cargo ata yan pero hindi na nagpupunta sa US yan kasi may tariff. Juniper Beach, ba yung Juniper Beach? Provincial Park pala to, Juniper Beach Provincial Park, sabi niya. May tubig nga pero walang mga puno masyado. May mga naliligo siguro dyan sa sa summer. Juniper Beach, ang ganda. Sigsag. Badlands ng British Columbia. Merong dun, lake. Sabona. Dito tayo sa Sabona. Yan, yung Tangkwa Lake. Pataas pa baba tayo eh. Ito ba may rock slides dito? Bato yun. Solid. Parang papuntang Baguio. Ito. Nilayon, parang nilayon. Sayang. Ganda ng view dun eh. Yun. Kamloops Lake pala to. Pero hindi ito yung Okinagan na meron nandun si Ogopogo. Yung parang Loch Ness Monster ng British Columbia. Si Ogopogo. West area. Meron kami inahabol na oras eh. Alas 2 yung tournament. So kailangan doon tayo before 2 o'clock. Ito yung rest area dyan. Solar pala yung ganda. Ayun, yung nasa side view din, ang ganda rin. Ayun, ngingiti yan.
My feedback.
BC Interior.
Hi, Daddy. 7 kilometers.
Yung Coquihalla Highway. Ito yung inaano sa highway to hell.
Huh?
Pagka-winter. Tayo sa saan na to? Merit pala to, Merit.
Ito?
City. Nasa Merit. 80 yung truck, 90 yung car. Tayo ng Vernon, BC Interior. Farm Royal. Monte Lake, BC Interior, or Mont Lake. It's a ship.
Para ka din pupunta sa farm. Ay, saan?
Heritage Park, one of Canada's oldest. Stockland. May stampede pala rito.
First you distract, then you divide, then you rewrite the rules so people don't even know they're being controlled. The scenarios that were once ridiculed are beginning to look
The old information in 1976, and was
Okay, we're in I think part of Vernon.
In 600 meters.
Since COVID, there are markets all over the U.S. where housing prices have gone up 100 to 200%. So a person buys a $200,000 home, they borrowed 80%, it's doubled, but they're not real broke, right? So like when you talk to someone who owns a
malapit na
home,
tayo.
they've owned it for 20 years,
12 minutes.
and you've just seen in the real world
malapit
how
na
people
tayo.
have built wealth.
I love
The
Buyama.
McIntyres in this book, and this is assuming that you have a living residence. Look up,
It's your
if you've got
choice.
Swalwell oh. Swalwell Park. Dito na. Dito tayo sa Lake Country, BC Interior. Malamig din yung hangin. Kala ko mainit.
Nakita mo sila.
Ah. May buffet dyan, oh. Buffet. Magkano kaya dyan? Ito Vietnamese. Aray. Spring salad. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bon appetit.
Yeah, thank you. All right, let's go eat.